In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CurseForge to Minecraft. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up the CurseForge launcher and connecting it to your Minecraft account is extremely simple. As long as you have Minecraft officially purchased from Microsoft or Mojang, you will be able to connect your account and use it to browse through all of the mod packs. So go over to CurseForge.com, and in here you can get the CurseForge app. Click on Get CurseForge app, and you can either download standalone or with Overwolf. I don't recommend using Overwolf, but it's up to you. So choose one of these two download options and then run the exe installer. Now, I already have it installed on my PC, so I'm just going to skip through using the app, but if you open the executable, you will have to give it some minutes until all of the installation process is done. This is how the interface will look like. By default, you will be on the home screen and you will need to choose a game. So in here, you just choose Minecraft. Let's say, for example, I choose a game that's not installed, so in this example, Pal World, it's going to tell me to locate the game. So you just do the exact same steps with Minecraft. Scan now or manually add, and you should be able to find Minecraft on your PC. Once you have it, it is going to appear at the left. Now, at one point, you will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account, so you just input your email and password. There's no secret to this. With all of that done, you are good to go. You can now go over to the Discover tab and browse through all of the mod packs. So you can see the latest mod packs, latest individual mods, resource packs, popular resource packs, and popular mod packs. And when you click on any of them, you will find the option to install. So let's say, for example, all the mods 10, I can click on it, and then the option to install here. Now I'm going to cancel this installation because it's going to take a while and I don't actually want to download it in full, but you can just leave this running in the background and it is going to be downloaded for the particular version here. You can browse through different versions and you can even make your own mod packs or add individual mods to pre-existing mod packs. So for example, you can click on create, give this mod pack a name, my mod pack, choose the Minecraft version, the game type, so you will have all of the mod loaders already good to go. You create, and then once it is created, you just go over to mods, add new ones through this window, and you will be good to go. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.